All right, as far as today, things could get a little bit bumpy around here, especially as we go into the evening. This is a strong cold front, and it's going to be working its way on through, but mainly later today going into the evening hours. I'll get to that in a second, but it all depends on a couple of things. How much sunshine do we have today, and how high are these dew points going to get? Because right now, that is dry. A dew point of only 56. It's actually really comfortable out with a temperature of 59 in Green Bay. So here are the threat of some clouds. And if those just kind of hang around as we go through midday, it's going to keep our temperature down a little bit, stabilize things a little bit, and it might even keep our humidity down as well. So those are kind of the wild cards as far as thunderstorm development going into the evening and how strong they'd be. But Skycast shows a fine morning. Here come some of those clouds. Again, how much sun do we see today? That all makes this more interesting as we go into the evening. If we see more sun and it gets more humid, some of these scattered storms could be on the stronger side, bringing you the threat of maybe a hit or miss hail report or a wind report. That goes on and off throughout the evening, but by midnight, a lot of that moves on out. By tomorrow morning, it's gone. So some of us under what's called a slight risk. You see, that's just elevated over a marginal risk of severe weather. So in any of this, though, if you see a thunderstorm, especially going into the evening hours here, it could bring you some gusty wind or possibly some hail. But again, a couple wild cards here with the clouds and what happens with the dew point. So let's talk temperatures. First of all, average high should be 80. And how did we do yesterday? We were above that 86 degrees, and we're probably going to be a little bit above average again today with a high around 84. But right now, it's comfortable. Look at Clintonville, a nice 56 to start the day. At EAA, 62, kind of like yesterday with a little bit less fog. There was that random fog bank that came rolling on in for just a couple hours, but that's gone right now. Dew points, again, they're not that high. And if we can keep these down, that would limit our severe weather threat going into the evening. But slowly the dew points just creep up a little bit as we go through the day. So here's kind of that wider view. It's a quiet start, just a chance of an afternoon storm, especially to the north and west. Better chance of scattered storms going through the evening hours. A lot of that's gone by the time we hit the midnight hour. And tomorrow we start off dry and cooler, but maybe a couple instability showers firing up as the afternoon goes on. So today, a lot of your day all right, 84. Just a chance of a storm, mainly off to the northwest. This afternoon, better chance of scattered storms going through the evening. Some could contain some gusty wind or some hail, not a guarantee. And then tomorrow, cooler, maybe a stray afternoon shower, and it's going to be breezy. Same with Friday, maybe a stray afternoon shower. And a lot of our weekend actually looks okay, right around average. But Sunday, an afternoon storm is possible. So, Brooke, this evening could get a little bit bumpy around here, but not a guarantee for severe weather.
All right, thanks, Fish.
Yep.